Energy systems have broadly been designed along the same paradigm for the last 100 years, and that's been centralized generation of energy from quite predictable sources like fossil fuels being distributed down to users, homes and businesses. That model is being challenged by the integration of renewable energy because it's more variable in how it delivers power when the sun shines and when the wind blows, and it's more distributed, so it's more at different parts of the grid rather than a central power station. So it's quite a complicated energy system to model and to manage and to optimize. And that's really where data and AI and smart technologies come in. The current distribution and transmission system is quite manual and reactive, whereas we'd like to move towards a system which is far more intelligent for real-time monitoring and for predictive maintenance. The way energy is coordinated across the transmission and distribution grid is also changing. So from a one-direction flow from generation to consumption, we're now looking at a bidirectional flow with distributed generation, and you need to be able to manage that, so a connected system is really important. The predictability of energy sources is also really important. We used to have very predictable spinning generation from fossil fuel power plants. Now you have variable generation from wind and solar in different places in the grid. You need to have a whole system view, and you need to have connectedness and responsiveness in order to manage those differences and mitigate the integration costs of those sources. This transition is really enabling energy systems in Africa and the UK and other nations to leapfrog the centralized model and move towards a better system by design through optimization, predictive modeling, and smarter planning ahead of time for the best resource usage and resource allocation possible. The innovation network we're launching is really dedicated to connecting innovators and businesses that want to partner together to get solutions to market. And that means that professionals in the market that want to learn about these technologies, as well as innovators in the market that are developing them, would be a great fit for being a part of the network and for collaborating together through some of our co-funding mechanisms in order to get these things to market. We'd love to be a part of that by connecting innovators, businesses, academia, and governments so that they can make the best decisions in the face of new technological challenges, but also new technological opportunities.